Hello YouTube, today we're going to talk about practical lights, aka ambient lights, as you can see my background, and I'm pretty sure you've seen them a lot in YouTube videos, but you may have probably wondered how to get a good quality one. We're going to talk about Yeelight, which is a smart filament LED bulb, and we're going to talk about its features, but that's not all. We'll be also talking about the process of making a noise stand for this little device so you can put it on your desk during your work to make you feel more productive, relaxed, and just give you good vibes. So stay tuned, like the video, subscribe the channel, and share it with your friends. So let's take a closer look at this product from Yeelight. It's smart LED filament bulb. It works with Google, Apple HomeKit, SmartThings, and also Alexa. So this video is not sponsored by Yeelight, but I got this from Me360. It's a Xiaomi retail store on Instagram that works in Iran, and it seems to be pretty good quality product with a really great price tag. And let's take a look at some more specs. So here we've got 2000 Kelvin as the light appearance. You can see it somewhere here between warm and cool, so it's more towards the warm side, and it is 500 lumens in terms of brightness, and it's really cost effective as it will only cost you $0.61 US if you turn this on 3 hours a day. That seems to be pretty good. And the lifespan, let's see how long this will last. So based on 3 hours a day, it will last 11.4 years. Impressive. So let's take a look at more features. Here we've got the usage. So it's 6 watt, but in terms of brightness, it is as bright as 40 watt light bulbs. It has a classic and clear design. So you can see the classic design on the product packaging. You can adjust the brightness. Of course, you can do it with any smart bulb. You can remotely access it with Siri, Alexa, or Google. It's also a nice feature. It's Wi-Fi enabled and no hub is required. So this is a great news. If you don't have any gateways or hub, just pick one and start working with it. It's that simple. And here you can see the guideline, but let's see what we have inside. As you can see, we have the Yeelight logo printed on one side, and on the other side we have a QR code where we can connect it to Apple HomeKit easily by scanning it. And before testing this product, we're going to watch some footages where we built a stand and a base for this lamp. So let's watch it. So this is the final product, and you can see the nice texture on the stand. I think it looks perfect on this smart filament LED bulb, and now it's time to check if it works perfectly with Siri or not. So I've tried connecting it through HomeKit and it works without any problem. You just need to scan or enter the code manually, which is printed on the light bulb itself. But for some reason I couldn't connect it to the Yeelight app, but as far as it works with HomeKit, it's fine. Now let's see how it works. Hey Siri, turn on the practical light.
Okay, the practical light is on.
Impressive. We can also adjust the light brightness level, and let's see how it works. Hey Siri, set the brightness level of the practical light to 100%.
Okay, I set the practical light to 100%.
And I think it can go as low as 1%. Hey Siri, set the practical light to 1%.
Okay, I set the practical light to 1%.
That's really good, and it's so fast because considering the fact that it doesn't have any hub and the hub is inside the lamp, I think this is a really great device. And finally, let's turn it off. Hey Siri, turn off the practical light.
Okay, the practical light is off.
Now the final thought about Yeelight filament light bulb. With $20, you can get a practical light that is compatible with most of the smart ecosystems, where you can control the lamp with voice command remotely from anywhere. And adding a DIY stand, you will definitely feel relaxed and cozy when you have it on your desk setup. Thank you for watching. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.